What's up, jumping fans?
What's up, jumping fans?
For today, we're gonna jump. Let's go start.
Yeah. My brother doesn't want to start.
Let's go. Where's the circle?
I don't know. We can just use bunny, right?
No.
Okay.
I don't want to use bunny. I don't want to replace him.
Bro, this is the record area and the tablet should be right over here. Okay, guys. We're gonna just,
Just this.
Oh my gosh.
Alright, let's go to level easy.
Hey, yo.
Okay. Just wait.
Right over there, okay? Hey, you. Stop.
Let's go.
Hey, this should be right over here for the camera.
No, this should be our line of if we jump. Yeah, boys. Dito, J. Marty.
Whopper.
Let's go level easy.
Wait.
But we can see. But they can see if we're gonna jump.
Yeah, if you're done now, I'm just gonna get just like that.
No, let's. Ah.
My
Okay.
brother just fixed the camera.
Whew. Alright. There.
Easy.
Your turn.
Yeah. You can just.
No, that's wrong.
Yeah. Stop and just get grab it again.
Now it's my turn. My turn. Level medium.
Hey,
Alright.
hey, you should be using this. Easy.
No, that's wrong.
Is that
You don't need to touch this. Just this. But your hands are first. You're wrong.
Stop biting me.
Because you just need to touch here.
Yeah.
You're wrong again. Good. Now level hard.
Why?
Oh,
That's not
Yeah.
fun. Oh, didn't even touch.
That's what you get.
Go. I will show what happened. Oh my gosh. Hey. Oh, that's what happened. Yeah. Hey, no, I can't hear
Go. Hey, that's no good again. So I'll give you a chance. You're still no good.
Hey.
Go for the level hard.
Hey. Stop. Sana, I can jump over you. How is the level hard? How is the level hard?
That's super hard for you because
How's the level hard? Hey, isn't this?
just like this. Look.
Bro!
Now let's go to
Hey!
level super.
No, not yet. I still didn't finish level hard.
Then we're gonna take 1,000 years, guys. Now in level super.
Yeah! Pillow fight! I'm gonna show you the thing.
The next round is pillow fight.
Yeah? Time to break.
Don't touch it. Don't hit the head.
Wait till that one go.
Sorry.
Hey, yo. Hey! Do not show off your panties, bro. Hey, yo.
You're
not show off your
stomping me.
Hey! You're not supposed to be here. You're supposed to be here, bro.
Be quiet. Don't be.
Bam, boom, bim, bam.